listening and reading practice. So let's start.
Today is a very sunny day. The sky is a beautiful blue color. I see the bright sun in the sky. It is a warm and happy day. I wake up early in the morning. I look out of my big window. I see the green grass in the garden. There are many colorful flowers near the tree. I wear my favorite white t-shirt and blue jeans. I go outside to the park with my friends. We walk slowly on the soft green grass. I see many small birds singing in the trees. The birds are very happy and loud today. We sit under a large tree for some shade. I drink some cold water because it is hot. My friend has a big red ball for us. We play with the ball for a long time. I feel very energetic and happy today. The sun starts to go down in the evening. I love a beautiful sunny day like this. Do you like the sun or the rain?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. I have a very beautiful blue bike. It is a gift from my father. My bike is new and very shiny. It has two big black wheels. There is a small bell on the bike. The bell says, "Ding ding," very loudly. Every morning, I go to the park with it. I wear my favorite white helmet for safety. I sit on the soft black seat. I put my feet on the pedals. I ride my bike slowly on the path. The cool wind hits my face and hair. I feel very fast and happy today. I see many green trees and birds. My friends also have bikes at the park. We ride our bikes together in a line. Sometimes we have a small, fun race. I always keep my bike very clean. I love my blue bike very much. Do you have a bike or a car?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. Today is a very busy morning. I go to the big market. I walk slowly on the street. I see many people at the market. They are all very happy and loud. First, I see the fresh red apples. I buy 5 big apples for me. Then I see some green bananas too. The fruit smells very sweet and fresh. I put the fruit in my bag. Next, I go to the vegetable shop. I see many long orange carrots there. I also buy some small round onions. The shopkeeper is a very kind man. I give him some money for food. He says thank you with a smile. I carry my heavy bag with my hands. Now I walk back to my home. I feel very tired but very happy. I want to cook a healthy dinner. Do you like to go to the market? What is your favorite fruit or vegetable?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. I have a very small little brother. His name is Leo, and he is 4. My brother has very short black hair. He has a very big and happy smile. Every morning, he wakes up very early. He comes to my room and says, "Hello." We sit on the floor and play together. Leo has many small red and blue cars. He likes to run fast in the garden. Sometimes we draw pictures on white paper. He draws a big yellow sun and trees. My brother is very funny and loud. I help him to wear his small shoes. We eat sweet apples and bread for lunch. He likes to drink cold milk every day. In the afternoon, he takes a short nap. I tell him a very nice story tonight. My little brother is my best friend. I love my brother very much today. Do you have a brother or a sister?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. Today I go to a big farm. The farm is in a green field. I see a very large red barn. The sun is very bright and warm. I see a big white cow first. The cow says moo very loudly. Next, I see a small pink pig. The pig is playing in the mud. I see many yellow ducks in the water. They swim slowly in the small pond. There are many white chickens in the grass. I find one small egg on the floor. A big brown horse is near the tree. The horse runs very fast in the field. I give some green grass to the horse. It is a very friendly and happy animal. I hear many loud noises on the farm. The air smells very fresh and clean here. I feel very happy and relaxed today. Do you like cows or horses?
Now your turn.